The brush down and then pull it out and then get in there.
Wait, what? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had an incredible week. If you're new to my channel, I'm MakeupBySaz, obviously, and my channel consists of beauty, fashion and mindset. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. So I was watching some makeup tutorials online and I came across this challenge called I Tried a Makeup Tutorial By. Beauty YouTubers are recreating looks by other beauty YouTubers, so I thought this would be a really fun challenge, and I thought who better to do this challenge with than my best friend Sinead. So I'm going to be recreating one of her looks today. I haven't watched this tutorial yet, so it's going to be a complete surprise. So if this is something you'd like to see, then just keep watching.
Hi, hello, this is my face. I'm gonna put some makeup on it and I'm gonna have a little bit of a chat. I want to hear from you. Comment below. What are you guys up to? What are you doing? Are you doing your makeup right now? Are you just chilling out at home? I'm just gonna put a bunch of makeup on my face. Good.
Let's do this.
Sorted.
The lighting is so romantic. I feel like I'm on a date.
Yeah, and nude lips and like super glam. So I'm gonna start off with my favorite moisturizer.
I've already moisturized, so we can go ahead and skip that step.
I watch myself back, I always think, God, you're really rough with your skin. So I ran out of my Flormar primer, so I'm going to use a sleek one. Sleek have a mattifying.
Probably get a mirror. That would be handy. Sinead used some kind of a shimmering primer, so I'm going to be using the Shimmering Skin Perfector from Becca because I don't have the one that she used. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on the back of my hand, and using the F20 brush, I'm just going to put it on my face. So she's using some sort of a Rimmel foundation that I don't have, I'm sorry. So I'm going to be using the Clinique one because it has a similar wand thing that she was talking about, and I must admit, I just love this feeling on my face. Girl.
These are the new brushes. They're marble and rose gold. They have a little magnet at the bottom, and that magnet...
These brushes are so pretty. I don't have some of the products that Sinead is using so far, but I think that's a good thing because it will just show you that you can achieve you know, any type of makeup look even if you don't have the products that other influencers are using.
Darker shade just so it matches with my neck, and I'm going to use a darker shade of powder foundation because I'm obsessed with this foundation.
Okay girl, slow down, going too fast. It's not like a setting powder, it's actually a foundation powder. So I am going to be full coverage, which is something I'm not used to. So I'm excited.
With the blending brush. So now I can go with my favorite palette. And we are going to use Core. And make sure there's no creases. And then just apply this all over.
Okay, so wait, slow down. So we're going in with Core. We're going to dot it on.
When you do the inner corner, just use a little less on the brush. And then what I like to do is lay the brush down and then pull it out and then get in there. Because I have like this little crease, and that just allows me to get right into that inner corner.
Wait, what?
Downtown and then pull it out and then get in there. Because I have like this little crease.
What is she doing?
Then we're going to go in with downtown.
Okay, so she is mixing Core and Lily together to pop on the brow bone, which is fine. And then she used Goddess on its own for the lid, for the halo. So I'm just going to go pop that on.
Now with the spotlight eye, you don't have to do a wing, because then you're competing for two different things. Unless you want to, which is fine.
It's been such a long time since I've done eyeliner. I feel like I skip my liner now and I just do a smoky eye or just do like a shimmery lid and throw on really fluffy lashes. She just put a little bit of Carmen and Strut and just put it on the lower lash line, just kind of smoke it out. Okay, so she's using the shorter F20. I don't even know what that is, but I'm just going to use the regular F20 today. No. Okay, I've got a better idea. I'm going to use the F36, and I'm going to be using this instead of the short F20 that she has. So I'm just going ahead with that white shade and just placing it under the eye. I actually went back and kind of fixed up my foundation a little bit because I feel like, I don't know, I just need to clean up lines. It's just really weird doing my face before my eyes. So I just needed to clean that up a little bit. It's kind of like an OCD thing I have. So I'm just going to like carry this onto my forehead.
I'm going to contour with this brush, so I'm going to darken this one side, and then I'm just going to
F20.
just using the edge. And you can use it
Okay.
around the top of the head as well. And you just want to use the flat side of the brush,
Girl, look at you.
Brush that in.
Okay.
And then taking the fluffy brush, you're going to just...
Okay, wait, you're going to have to repeat that.
We're going to finish.
Practice makes perfect, okay? She's so clever. She comes up with all these little tricks. Little tips and tricks that no one ever thought of before. Did you say you roll it on your head too? We're just gonna roll it. We're gonna roll it. Roll it. Okay. I feel like I need a bit more highlighter. Okay. She's like teasing me with all these fancy brushes and I'm kind of like, okay. So I used some kind of a Primark lip liner and now I'm using the matte lipstick that she used in Corset. This is so pretty.
And then I will be reading all of your comments, so I will talk to you later. Bye guys.
She's not even looking at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. There we go. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job? That was the hardest thing I've ever done in my entire life. Really nervous. I feel like I messed it up a little bit because I'm so nervous, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!